In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Facebook's ad library to analyze and learn from your competitors' ad strategies. Whether you're new to digital marketing or looking to refine your current approach, this guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you gain valuable insights to help boost your advertising efforts. To start, you'll want to head over to the Facebook ad library by visiting facebook.com/ad/library. This tool is a gold mine for marketers as it gives you access to view and analyze the ads currently running across Facebook's vast network. Once you're there, you'll want to set the foundation by choosing the country that you're targeting. This can be done easily using the drop-down menu provided on the site. After selecting your target country, look over to the ad category drop-down and choose All Ads. This ensures you get a comprehensive look at all available advertising content. With your geographical and category settings in place, the next step is to perform a search using the bar provided. You could enter the name of a competitor's brand, a well-known entity in your industry, or specific keywords that relate directly to your field. To ensure you pull up the most accurate results, it's beneficial to search for the exact name associated with the advertiser's official Facebook page. This precision can really help hone in on relevant ads for meaningful analysis. Once you have some ads to look at, the next exciting part is to analyze and identify what we call winning ads. Start by observing the start date of these ads. You want to look for ads that have been running for a long time. The idea is, if an ad has been active for an extended period, it's a good sign that the advertiser is finding it successful. These are the ads you'll want to delve deeper into for clues on what could work for your campaigns. Don't forget to consider how active the ads are. Use the filters on the ad library interface to specify active ads. This focus allows you to see what's currently buzzing in the market, giving you fresh ideas that are relevant to recent trends and strategies. Now, as you dive deeper into individual ads, click on See Ad Details to view different versions of these promotions. Advertisers often test different images, headlines, or calls to action, showing various versions of a single ad. Recognizing these adjustments can give you a unique window into the advertiser's full repertoire, showing exactly what they are testing to maximize results. Lastly, note where these ads are appearing by checking each ad's platform distribution, whether it's on Facebook, Instagram, or even the audience network. Understanding the platform context can help you tailor your messaging to fit the specific nuances and audience expectations of each platform. By following these steps to access and utilize the wealth of information in the Facebook ad library, you're setting yourself up to draw valuable insights from your competitors and craft your own compelling ad campaigns. Thanks for watching and happy advertising.